Inspector of Basic Education, Sub-Delegate of Minipia, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Some people want to pigeons so that you ensure them. They don't leave all things what they will do today. They will give what they with their farm today. It don't make me, I don't be too happy. It means that they really get a love for me because today they will farm. They don't abandon all that in them. I can't wait because the Joe years say I want to come here today. I want more clap for each man, clap for himself for that. I come here today not because of plenty in them. So man don't talk with no for speech for fun, they don't talk for day. Say any man get away where they do it in them. So never get me away come out, they come for tour. Why I come over this tour? Because I believe say when you come down, you say that day with the people that you hear and you see them with your eye, you take a little bit different from when they can only tell you about office. No, not true. Now it's now I don't come out, say man, calm down, Mr. Come see him. Me with the talk. Even as some people will show me when I show them, they see him. Number two, now say the new government of President Paul Biya, they talk about decentralization. That is meaning say that they give power now for that people that were grassroots. No people that were give your own way, you don't know. Now when they empower councils them, we don't see now for decentralization. They take things that they give now our council they do them. Like Inspector Dede, before they want to start school now, the council give things away, he give our teacher they will start school. Not be them they do it again. Now we'll show how they give them now for council. For our local level council now own local government. Council will understand our own local government. And council not just speech down the office because they work with people. And they work with youth people. I don't know what they want more youth. You get headache, that one for Yaoundé, they can't look you. You get post belly, that one for Yaoundé. They get anything, any problem, that one for Yaoundé, they can't look you. They want. I don't want to talk plenty because I don't vex. When I don't vex, I know for talk plenty. That's good. I didn't talk now point where I can't talk CBDM for here. No, I talk now. Cancer some person. We do I say the population need them. You say I will come please some person. No, that's say the population need them. Once see something where they need them, we do them.
So we want go now. We begin to support with. So we get for make some meetings. Begin them. They're strong because we not get strong worker stick for old age. You know, baby worker.
Pay us, baby, for 1 year. That 7.5 you pay us for 9 months. Speaking, come up for day one camp for you go teach you one thing. At the cry, at the beg, say government knows this school and do they empty. Government not be make mistake or talk maybe for when do get nursery school. And only una keep una sister na come for them can nurse that any age. For 3 years, I go manage to be grandmammy no. I know if you working for 3 years. If you reach 4 years, you will bring up.
La parole parlait des problèmes de sécurité. La population au chef et à toutes les femmes, les sœurs, les enfants et autres. C'est d'abord les forces de l'ordre peuvent mieux travailler quand les populations collaborent, à tout moment, donnent les renseignements aux forces de maintien de l'ordre. Ça, c'est le premier point qu'il faudrait
So now I'm tired asking family mosquito don't buy you, but because I want to begin for school, and today na day way I get for blessing permission. People are nowhere go down today. I don't hear.
Finally end up where Innova finish am. Say we still be wopa, may it just finish am. But we just be for here, over be happy for here all sitting for you.
My Lord Mayor talk say if he be very angry when he began keep gravel for year. We youth them, if it be our chance for come scatter that gravel. No be our parents, they gave us cataract. So Lord Mayor, one really plead say, you the born picking away the grace. But you don't find medicine for go with grace. Would the beg say may forgive me?
Salute with your people there. Now just some small thing. Where I don't hear that who brought away she don't for day where he say it take care for animals them. Say if your animals is sick, if you can't see. Now you are the one who ask this small question because they so would you stay with the animals them? Would you live with cows them? Would you live with pigs? Live with goat them? How would you bring down animals then? So say me would you treat them for we? Now makes in the way if you do we or you will get some advice them where you feel the advice we say as you stay with cow, make cow no pass or water way or not the drink.
No be Jana and police. Jana and police they are rule, they have a right. Send our state council. The state council take decision whether they will send a person to prison or they'll do it or they'll do it. The state council take that decision. We are not here fine now. So we don't refuse renovation. We don't see they don't do other things. They don't take water now. Down the council they do and they don't take water go down for health center. They bury the pipe them now. We get toilet pot for council. They will put all the toilet inside that hospital. It won't be next 2 weeks. We'll talk with RDP, see what side will it won't be.
Mayor say kako ayi wona ido moki koza bra nye adi to za won wo say month number 3 at the begin yin clarify that party police or right says one no so one go farm to the activity anga moki the last session a cancel am a legal decision nya report the tax and Yaoundé security more the tax la abo bon ngeti January I need to be a bonum la so. I will laying come from my to faith. My family will tell you. Who think one cancer was to the Kenya?
This is Cusco Palace. The Lord Mayor Wum Council, the Regent Kusu, protocol duly present, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me pleasure and joy that I, Abang Fu Peter, stand here on behalf of Kusu people to present this talk to you. Before I proceed, I would like to welcome you and your entourage, wish you a happy stay here. Innovating the Legnon Street to this palace.
For listen to it, one can talk for here today. I want to thank you plenty. I sure so we need to clap for each other for that wonderful thing. That thank you. Get plenty way where I thank you now. One of that way they will thank you now we can't know what to actually be a problem. So that make you put them for among who think they want start doing, because for this country and any other country, that's what they do. When year the end, they make budget. They budget for the next year we want to start. And so if you don't know the people their problem them, you don't know the thing the way they really need them, you don't know how to draw your own budget. So I want to talk about some two things them. I want to say any man they come, they get a period. I don't come at my own time this. But I want to say for my own time. Mommy them, I know say una mommy them. Una know how una they handle picking them. You the finger. So we leave that Congo South for back. And I think that way, another thing way I want for a six war. So we'll take Congo South leave and go back. Material we begin to use another school, like Inspector Dede. They can't take an account of the gear and the gear out for that headmaster them. And for show when I had to try to empower council them. We see say sometimes they be small road spoil here. You give a gun and drive for your own day before they want come back or can walk up. So in the next few years when they come, government they travel, give that road for council, give everything for council. So that if some problem happen, we for any.
Can you make a small partnership? Wow, dude. I say after 11 months in the office, can you make a small balance sheet? What do you observe during this 11 months?
Yeah, thank you. I think they started doing some few things. I do the street lights, measures the street wood. I have employed holiday workers during the holiday period. I have given benches to some needy schools. I recruited some teachers, PTA teachers in some desperate primary schools. I have built embankment in the market. I have renovated the Santos slaughterhouse. I have built some entrance that entrance to the park and the stadium in Wound. And a few other things that we are going back on. We have a lot of projects that are in the pipeline. We have a piggery that's going to come up for the Wound Council. We have a Wound Council community radio. Many other things that are in the pipeline. I think for now, what is essential to us, as I said, is sensitization. And that's why I'm out of this store. To sensitize the population on their rights and obligations. About the behavior, the wound population is ready to follow you. Yeah, if you see the massive trend now, it's indicative of the fact that they are ready to follow me, they are ready to collaborate with me, they are ready to work with me, because from the few 11 months, like Riley said, I've put in place, they have seen quite a good number of changes, and I think that is one of the motivations that is behind them, and I am happy with the turnout that is coming out from wherever I'm going to. One last advice for them. I want to advise and plead that we should forget about backstabbing, blackmail, small talks in the quarter, to concentrate on our development, forget about what is happening, what has been happening, and come back and concentrate. And above all, I am asking for their prayers, because with their prayers, I am inspired by God to do many other things for them. Monsieur le maire, 11 mois à la tête de la commune de Wound. Est-ce qu'on peut savoir qu'est-ce que vous avez constaté durant ces 11 mois d'observation? Oui, depuis on m'a installé le 30 novembre 2013. Après ça, j'ai constaté qu'il y avait un problème de sensibilisation. J'ai constaté que les citoyens de la municipalité ne comprennent même pas ce qu'ils doivent faire, ce qu'ils doivent produire par rapport à les lois de l'État de public. Donc c'est pour cela que malgré ce que j'ai décidé de faire, j'ai décidé de partir en disant que ça a commencé aujourd'hui pour les expliquer ce qu'ils doivent faire et ce qu'ils doivent attendre pour le moment au maire et l'administration et tous les autres. La municipalité de Wound est résolument tournée vers le développement. Quelques projets prioritaires pour les 4 années qui arrivent, qui viennent? Oui, on a quand même l'extension de l'électricité, on a le problème de l'eau, on a presque à la fin, on appelle Woundian Water Project, on a presque à la fin de réaliser ça. On a une gare routière qu'on doit enlever là où ça est. Il y a 3 villages aussi, on finit avec l'extension de l'électricité pour nous donner le développement, parce que dans notre site, c'est cet endroit, on va tout mettre les bonnes choses.
Zonglip Palace.
No,